Yeah, most cats are not like this at the vet. Stray or not.
I know. Honestly, he doesn't care where he is. He's just like, "Ooh." He's so cute. We are currently on our way to the vet with Buddy. He's back there complaining. Just when we thought everything was gonna be smooth sailing from here to Florida in 6 days, he has like this huge hole on his, what's a nice way to say it? Testicles? Testicles. He has like this huge hole. I don't know if that's where the incision site was. It's normally in the back. I know sometimes on the side, so I don't know if that's what it is, but he's leaking a little bit. So yeah, of course, the day that it snows, it really hasn't snowed much in New York, but the day that it snows is when this happens. We'll be alright. We'll hopefully make it to Ardsley. Not too late. It says we're already gonna be late. So yeah, I will keep you guys posted. Arrived. It's hot. I have a sweater on. See you guys. Just arrived. It's super dark. We just arrived. I'm nervous. But yeah, we're here.
Okay. Look at these paws. You got his big paws.
He's gonna be big. He's gonna be a big boy. Such purrs. Oh. Hi. You're home. You're home. Oh, buddy. So I just left Buddy. It was super sad. Trying not to cry. I just feel like it never gets easier. Like, I mean, even though this is like a great thing, I do this all the time. It's just, it's tough. But I mean, he's got a beautiful home. He's in the Sunshine State. I'm happy and I feel so grateful that he had this opportunity. He's just amazing, and this is the beginning of the rest of his life.